What's up, everyone? How is it going today? Welcome to the video. And for you new guys that just tuned in, welcome to the channel. I'm an automotive channel, but I like to put a little emphasis into realism and audio. And we all know the car behind me. It needs no introduction. It's a true JDM legend. But one thing we haven't really, or a lot of media, YouTube media, haven't really covered is how it actually is to partake and drive, to hear, to feel the emotions of driving such a JDM legend. The 240Z has been beat down for many videos, many history lessons and stuff like that. But today, I want to give you a different experience of the 240Z. I want to give you the experience of driving the 240Z. So give me a second, let me gear up, and let's jump into the driver's seat, and let's take on a brand new perspective on this JDM legend. So, this is my POV binaural rig. And if you please, take a moment, pause the video, and grab some headphones. Hear that noise on that side? Hear that noise on the left side. This rig should better represent the true driving experience that we're going to have. You'll be able to see what I see, you'll be able to hear what I hear. So let's jump in the car and let's go for a nice Sunday cruise. Make sure we're neutral. We don't need to put the choke on because these cars have a manual choke. We just need to give her a start. Put our seatbelts on. Check one thing real quick. And let's go. Let's go right instead. We're not trying to break any land speed records or anything today. We're not trying to do any heel toe shifting or any runs. We're just having a nice cruise throughout the back roads of Middle Tennessee. Want you hear a good representation, want you see a good representation and a feel of how it is to drive a 1970 240Z. A true JDM legend, JDM icon of his day. I know today. Now I'll just shut up and let's just go for a drive. countryside drive. I think the temperature is like mid 80s right now. Okay, good, they're turning. Let's go ahead and give her some old 52-year-old car beans. The car is 100% factory. It's not, well, no, sorry, I'll fix that, change that. It's 100% stock. There's still a lot of OEM parts still on the car from 52 years ago, but it is not modified. It is in this factory setting. And for a 52-year-old car, it drives and handles wonderfully. Squirrel. So far the road is pretty nice and clear. Over these crests are a little sketchy. Hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad. But in the stock form, there's this big old huge steering wheel, and this big old huge steering wheel helps out because this car does not have any assist steering rack. It is a manual steering rack, so the bigger the steering wheel, the easier it is to turn. There's some cars up ahead. And I hope you guys are liking the audio experience so far with the video experience. Get a true in-car, in-the-seat feel like you're driving. If you do, please go ahead, hit that thumbs up, leave a comment. How was your experience? Was this something new to you? This whole FPV binaurality? Let me know. Start doing some more of them. Hand back a little bit so you can see more of the road, so you won't be seeing the back of the car. I may have to jump off just to get rid of these guys. Two of them is turning left. The slow one is going straight. Let's take just go the way off the left, guys. Actually, that's not fun either.
in someone's driveway.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I really hope it was something new to you all. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do like the whole new binaural POV and the Z, you gotta love the Z. Make sure to hit that like, leave a comment, go ahead and subscribe. And until next time guys, you all have a good one.